We move on to the tenses, beginning with the present tense positive. And as we go through this section of the program, you'll notice that there are clear indicators or pointers in each verb that will tell your eye or your ear, first of all, who is involved and that the action itself is or did or will take place. So now we are going to study some examples of the present tense, and I want you to see if you can identify the tense signals. Compatible words with the present tense are words such as namhlanje, today, ngoku, now, okwangoku, currently, and so on. Here are some examples. Ndiyatya, I am eating or I eat. Nditya isonka, I am eating bread or I eat bread. Ndiyabhala, I am writing or I write. Ndibhala ileta, I am writing a letter or I write a letter. Ndiyafunda, I am studying or I study. Ndifunda IsiXhosa, I am studying IsiXhosa. Ndiyaphunga, I am having a hot drink. Ndiphunga ikofu, I drink coffee. Ndiyadlala, I am playing or I play. Ndidlala itennis, I am playing or I play tennis. You can divide these examples into two clear groups, namely when the sentence consists of one word or does not include an object, or when an object is included in the sentence. The one-word sentences, or where there is punctuation after the verb, are characterized by the use of ya, as in ndiyafunda, and of course the verb taking on the positive ending a. So this ya is merely an indicator that the sentence is in the present tense positive. In other words, that is the only time it will be used. There are some exceptions to the use of ya in the following. Ndiyeza ngoku, I'm coming now. Uyeza, he or she is on his way. Indlela iyenyuka, the road goes up. Ilifti iyehla, the lift is going down. Uyeva, do you hear what I'm saying? Uyemka, he or she is leaving. The vocab or verbs where this occurs are the following. The verb za, come, nyuka, go up, ascend, hla, go down, descend, va, here, mka, leave or depart, as well as ba, steal, ma, stand. And you will notice that in front of all of these verbs there is an I in brackets. Okay? And this is called a latent I. In other words, it is hidden and it only has an effect on the forming of the word when preceded by a. And as you will remember with vowel coalescence, that the a-i combination changes to e. That concludes this video for now, and in the next video we will have a look at the negative of the present tense. Enkosi kakhulu.